Hey everyone, today we're going to make this together. To make it first, we need some lighting. We'll use the ellipse tool to create a shape. Now we change its color to the light shade we want. From the Filters menu, pick Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Convert the layer to a smart object and set the value to 1000. We lower the opacity. Now we're going to make the bokeh, or those glowing particles. Create a new layer beneath the light layer. Now we select the brush and press F5 on the keyboard to adjust the brush settings. Choose the desired brush and adjust the settings like shown in the video. Now we start and carefully click randomly on the canvas with the brushes. You can use pre-made brushes to save time. I'll change the brush size again and keep brushing. Now change the brush color like in the video. Now we turn on Outer Glow to add some shine. Now we lower the opacity to make it look more natural. We'll make the bokeh size a bit smaller. Now we make 2 copies of our layer. Do this using the shortcut keys Ctrl+J. We'll make the size and direction of the layers a bit different from each other. We'll blur the middle layer to show depth in the image. Draw an ellipse on the magic wand of the boy. Now change its color to match the bokeh and also enable Outer Glow for it. We'll also enable Gaussian Blur for it. I'll make its size a bit larger. We'll adjust the Outer Glow settings a bit to get the desired values. Make sure the color you choose matches the bokeh color. So far, everything looks good. Now we're going to create the glow on the boy's face. Click on the boy's photo layer and use the lasso tool to select the desired area. Now click on Hue and Saturation and adjust the settings according to the video. Make sure the color you choose matches the bokeh color. Increasing the feather will make the edges of the selected area smoother. Great, everything looks perfect now. Finally, we group all the adjustment layers together. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe.